Good evening, everyone. I'm back with another recent notification for requirement of teachers on regular basis for APS Bidibadi, Damana, Jammu Kent, Kaluchak, Mira Sahib, Ratnuchak, and Samba Sunchwa. It's a cluster recruitment. You are going to appear in the CSB interview at APS Kaluchak for these different schools. And let's see about some vacancies. We can see in English 3 vacancies, maths 3, physics 6, chemistry 4, biology 2. There are a number of vacancies we can see here in different subjects, and in TGTs we can see number of vacancies. In PRTs number of vacancies are there, and here below term and conditions are given over here. Fresh candidates below the age of 40 years and experienced candidates minimum 5 years of teaching experience in the last 10 years below the age of 57 year, including ex-service personnel, can apply. This is the age related eligibility criteria. Educational qualification for PGTs, for TGTs, for PRTs is given already, educational qualification. And extra requirement for these permanent vacancies: CSB qualified at PGT, TGT and PRT level. At all these three levels, a candidate must be CSB qualified. CTET or TET is mandatory for TGT and PRT. Actually, CTET is applicable. CTET or any TET is applicable for TGT and PRT vacancies. And the post is liable transferable within APS. As already I have told you, these are the regular basis vacancies, means permanent teachers. And here, like in other government sector, you are liable for transfer. Here also you are liable transferable with APS. And last date for applying is 22nd Jan. And you can apply through by making a demand draft of ₹100 in favor of APS Kaluchak payable at Jammu. Fill your complete form, attach all necessary documents along with demand draft and submit in APS Kaluchak. Extra note is written over here: CTET and TET is not mandatory for appearing CSB interview. Yes, exactly. CTET and TET is not mandatory for appearing in interview. In such case, candidate, if candidate is selected after going through this interview, if candidate is selected, then candidate will be on probation of 2 years, and within that 2 years a candidate is supposed to clear CTET or TET exam to get confirmed, because this is the eligibility criteria for confirmed government permanent teachers, that a candidate must have both CSB as well as CTET. But for appearing in CSB interview only, it's not mandatory that you must have CTET or TET also in your hand, qualified CTET TET in your hand. But within 2 years after joining, you are supposed to clear your CTET or TET to get confirmed at the same post. Okay, thank you.